Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by getting clear, informed consent. You must not covertly track someone. Once you have permission, sign into the same Apple ID or set up Google Family Link on both devices. Make sure location services and network access are enabled. You're initiating a lawful, cooperative process rather than hacking or guessing. If they cannot grant consent due to emergency, pause and consider contacting local authorities for lawful assistance instead of trying to track via a phone number alone. Once done, open the chosen location sharing app and follow prompts to enable sharing to a named contact. Make sure you select precise location and grant background location permission so updates continue. Confirm the target device shows as online and that the shared name is recognizable. Check two-factor authentication and remove unrecognized devices from the account to prevent spoofing. If the device is offline, the app will show last known location. Understand its limitations and don't attempt unauthorized workarounds. To complete the process, verify continuous updates and test by having the person move briefly while you watch the map. If updates stop, make sure battery saver isn't restricting background location and that the app has permission to run in background. If the person revokes sharing, respect that choice and request reauthorization. If you face a genuine emergency or missing person situation, compile account details and contact law enforcement. Provide legal authorization and avoid attempting invasive tracking methods yourself.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.